Take the light!
For Morderon!
For the Alliance! Back, you mindless wretches! Fight on, brothers!
Rise up, sons of the Horde! Blood and glory await us! Luntargar! For the Horde!
I was wondering if you'd show up.
I couldn't let the employees have all the fun today.
Activision Blizzard.
The blood
Literally Hong Kong.
of your people demands justice! Come forth, coward, and answer for your crimes!
You speak of justice, of cowardice. I will show you the justice of the
Chinese money.
the true meaning of
Human rights violation.
Enough talk!
Hashtag Free Hong Kong.
No refunds.
You will pay for all the lives you've stolen, traitor!
boldly stated, but there is nothing you can.
What?
Did you think we had forgotten? Did you think we had forgiven? Behold now, the terrible vengeance of the Forsaken!
An angry subreddit.
Death to the Scourge! And death to...
Our subscriptions.
I have no comment. Call me when this blows over.
Now, all can see. This is the hour of
Not paying shit.